Hello students, today I am going to teach atmospheric pressure. So first definition, atmospheric pressure can be defined as the force exerted by the vertical column of air per unit of area. Meteorologists use the unit millibar to measure pressure. Atmospheric pressure is measured using a barometer. Barometer was invented by the scientist Galileo and his assistant Torricelli in 1643. So, at different places, we experience varied atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure decreases as height above the sea level increases. The atmospheric pressure of a place can be measured with the help of barograph. Atmospheric pressure is closely related to the climate, weather of a region. As the temperature of a region rises, the atmospheric pressure decreases and vice versa. Now, land and sea bridges are also caused because of pressure difference between the land and the sea. During the day, the land heats up more quickly than the sea. The air above the land becomes warm. When the warm air rises up, it creates a low pressure zone over the land. A high pressure zone is created over the sea as the air above the cool sea is cold and comparatively heavy. Now, winds blow from high pressure area, that is sea, to low pressure area, that is land, causing sea breezes during the day. At night, the land cools down rapidly, whereas the sea remains warm. A low pressure area is formed over the land and a high pressure area is created. The low pressure area is created over the sea and a high pressure area is created on the cool land. Now cool winds blow from the land, high pressure area, to the sea, low pressure area, and hence land bridges are formed. Now I am going to tell you about the different types of instruments used to measure the atmospheric pressure. The instrument which you see now is the mercury barometer, or it is also called as simple barometer. A simple barometer consists of a long glass tube filled with mercury. It is sealed at the upper end and open at the lower end. The lower end of the glass tube is inverted in a ball of mercury whose surface is exposed to the air. Air pressure pushes up the mercury in the tube and the reading is recorded from the scale given on the glass tube. Now the diagram which you see now is aneroid barometer. Since mercury barometer is large and not portable, an aneroid barometer is used. Advantages of using aneroid barometer: it has no mercury column and is very easy to handle. It has a metal box which is partially evacuated. The box is very sensitive to variations in air pressure. It expands when the pressure is low and gets compressed when the pressure is high. The box is connected to a pointer which moves over a scale to indicate the atmospheric pressure. So in the next video I will give you more explanation of the other instruments. Till then, thank you for watching this video.